Hey friends, Ryan Dohrn here, your global sales coach. Hope things are going well. This is your sales training tip of the week. Love for you to consider what I like to call the 20-60-20 rule of time management. There's three main things that all of us in sales land should be doing every day. New business development, about 20% of our time spent on that. Then we've got our in-progress meetings and customer service, about 60% of our time spent on that. And then the one piece that everybody always seems to overlook, and that is customer retention. About 20% of our time should be spent on that. But why, Ryan? Isn't new business development more important? Well, I don't think there's either more important than the other, but I do know this. It takes 5 times the energy and 5 times the money to get a new customer. So why don't we retain like crazy and do everything we can to keep our customers for a lifetime? So remember the 20-60-20 rule. Map out your day and make sure you're spending about 20% of your time on new business, 60% of your time on meetings and customer service, and then another 20% on retaining those customers for a lifetime. Time management, friends, sales is all about being highly organized if you're going to be highly effective. And don't forget, if sales was easy, everybody'd be doing it, and they're not. So we're either crazy, it's possible, or friends, we found a career that'll feed our family for a lifetime. If you need some help, reach out to me over at ryandohrn.com. Take care, friends.